Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the camera is missing or not showing up in the device manager, and obviously if that's happening you will be unable to use the camera, then please watch this video. So it may be a hardware issue that the camera is disconnected, but let us keep that part aside. I mean, if it is an external camera, you can check the connections, and if it's an internal camera, then you will have to call a hardware technician. So keeping that aside, what all can we do at the software level? The first solution will be to search for device manager and open the device manager. Click on view, select show hidden devices. Does that help? Click on action, scan for hardware changes, and that will renew the camera connection even if you don't find it. The next one is to reinstall the camera. Right click on the first on the camera and select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. Click on action and scan for hardware changes. So this will reinstall the camera even if it did not find it earlier. And lastly, check for camera compatibility. You will have to check the manufacturer details for the camera, whether it's compatible with your system or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.